Alright, Jenna. So this is your third visit.
Yeah.
Alright, so how you feel? How's your neck? How's your back?
Feeling like the back of my neck is a little stiff.
Neck
recently.
stiffness?
Yeah, and then the left side of my mid back is still a little like.
Was kind of like a mid lower.
Yeah,
right.
like mid back.
Left
area.
side, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So neck is most likely stiffness. Do you have any other sharp pain or?
No, it's just like when I like move my head back, it just like kind of hurts.
When you look up, it's kind of hurt in the back
Yeah.
of the neck.
Yeah.
Okay. You say that pain does not radiate any down to your arms or anything like that.
Well, not from the neck, but like this mid back area, I've noticed that my left like arm also sometimes feel a little weird,
Okay.
like tingly maybe.
Left arms?
Yeah.
Okay. Usually the arm symptoms is coming from your neck, not the lower back.
Okay.
So we have to look at your more neck.
Okay.
Yeah, you have like a slightly anterior head postures.
Does that mean it just like goes forward?
Like yeah, turtleneck postures.
It's probably because I stare at my computer all day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So try to keep your back straight and retract your shoulder blade together and chin tuck. Yeah,
Okay.
you have to keep that in mind. Change your corrections.
Yeah.
Okay. Lower back. And the low back pain, when does it hurt more or?
It's just like throughout the day, it just kind of becomes a little uncomfortable.
While sitting, standing? either in-
Sometimes when I'm sitting, I guess. I mean, I don't have the best sitting posture, I'm sure. So.
So sitting make it worse.
Yeah.
Huh?
Sometimes I like bring my legs up when I sit too, which is I'm sure bad.
Alright, let me check your range of motion. Can you look straight?
Yeah.
So try to turn head to the right side all the way. Okay, and the other side? Any pain? No. And can you go look down? And look up? Any pain when you look up?
Yeah, just
You
like
did?
a little bit. When I
Alright,
look up.
let's bring ear to shoulder. And the other side? How you feel?
That's fine.
That's okay? Alright, can you stand up? We're gonna check your lower back range of motion.
Okay.
So look straight and can you try to bend over and touch toes, okay?
Yeah.
You can
fine.
touch toes, yeah? Alright, come back up. But no pain?
No.
And put your hand in the back and slightly bend backward. See if there's more pain in the back.
No.
That's okay? Alright, can you turn right and left? See how you feel?
Yeah, that's fine.
Rotation is okay? Like a side to side.
Oh, that's fine.
That's good too?
Yeah.
Alright, your range of motion is not bad. Alright, today we're gonna do again Graston on your neck and lower back, and then I'll check your spine and pelvis and get your adjustments, okay?
Cool.
Turn head to the right. Yep. Better? Less?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I need to get your adjustment there. But before adjustment, we're gonna continue your soft tissue on your lower back here. So let's move on to this table here. Okay, slightly short on the left side. Okay, can you go ahead and lift each legs up? Straight legs. And
Go.
lift. Yeah, left side. And the other side. Any pain when you do that?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna press it here. Any tenderness?
No.
No. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust to your left sacroiliac joints. It's right here. I'm gonna bring you close. Bring your legs up right there. Let's put both hands on the side right here. Alright. Just relax. I'm just gonna turn it over. Okay. Oop. Wow. A lot of cracks.
I know. Never fail, all the cracks.
Yeah. Okay, turn this side here. And I'm gonna adjust your lumbar spine. Right here. Okay, that's your shoulder. Okay, I'm gonna bring you over. Wow. Alright. A lot of cracks. Okay, that was good. So this side is more stiffer. Okay, try to relax and drop your head onto my hands. Okay, good, legs there. There you go. How you feel?
Good.
Good. Can you turn head to the right
Yeah.
and the other side? It's okay, right? Alright. Check here. Just like that. Okay, relax here. Same thing. There you go. Alright. Turn again. Turn right. Turn left. Alright. Look down and look up. Alright. How you feel? When you look up, how you feel?
It feels better.
Okay. That's good. Alright. Always keep remind yourself. Bring your shoulder blades together down. And you have to chin tuck down and in. So this bone, moves in. This is the correct posture. So try to, correct your posture every 30 minutes. Because otherwise your head keep moving forward.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. That'll do it.
Okay. Thanks.
No problem. That's good.